Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 1 by 5 whole power n minus 1 is equals to 5 power 8n plus 10 and we have to find the value of n. So let's start with the today's video solution. So according to exponent rule, 1 by a whole power b, we can write it as a power negative b. So here we can write it as 5 power negative n minus 1 is equals to 5 power 8n plus 10. So now if we know that if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So negative n minus 1 is equals to 8n plus 10. So we can write it as negative n positive 1 is equals to 8n plus 10. So it becomes 8n. This negative n goes to other side, positive n, and 1 negative 10. So negative 9 is equals to positive 9 and so n is equals to negative 9 by 9. So the value of n is negative 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.